Peace and blessings, y'all. Peace and blessings. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Peace, family. Back at it with another one. Before I get on here, I always got to say my thank yous to everybody. We're so close. We're almost at 3,000 hours. You guys been putting in the work, and I appreciate you for that. This video here we got is Florida woman refused to pay bill and claims she's Eminem's ex-wife. So this this should be real good. We'll see how crazy she is, because Kim was crazy. Y'all know Eminem's ex-wife. Her name was Kim. She was crazy. She's so crazy he made a song about Kim. So before we get to this video, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, subscribe, like, comment. There is another giveaway when we hit that 4,000 hours. So we only got just about, I think, 1,200 more hours to get there. So let's get it together, family. Let's get these hours up. And Jerome is in your house and in your mouth. I say, Rome is in the house and I'm in your mouth. Like, ooh, ooh, in your mouth. Ooh, ooh. What? Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right. You ready?
She's then ordered 2 times. She's not wanting to pay for it. She's getting disrespectful with the employees in there. She's going around to some customers asking them to pay for it. We're not letting that happen. She's trying to order more food. I said no. This is my district. We want her arrested and trespassed.
Okay.
All right.
Arrested and trespassed.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. Sorry, who's
What's going on?
I'm Marshall Mather's wife, Jennifer Jones.
Yeah, you're not going to pay your tab?
No, I am going to pay it.
Okay, you have money?
Can I explain myself, please, sir?
You don't have to explain.
No, I know.
You don't have to explain right now.
My lawyer is on hand.
But I want you to. You going to pay your tab?
Can I personally? Yes. Via telephone or computer. Yes, I can.
No,
I get paid very well.
Do you have money on you right now?
Cash on me? No.
Do you have a debit card, credit card?
We're doing a movie right at present. I think. I don't know. Maybe they're still doing it 50 cents, still doing it. I'm not sure.
So
Do I have one on me? No, because...
So you came in here with no form of payment is what you're telling me?
Right.
Okay, why would you do that?
Because my husband, Marshall Mathers, Eminem, the international rap star, keeps track of me at all times.
Okay, you got an idea?
So he makes sure all my stuff is paid. I am the real Jennifer.
You got the ID on you?
No.
What?
You don't have an ID?
Not on me, no. Because they've been stolen. I've lost them.
Okay.
Who is Jennifer? Am I missing something? Did Eminem had a wife named Jennifer? I thought her name was Kim. And he said something. He said Kim was crazy. I only knew he said Kim was on crack, though. Because you look like you on that jet. Okay? You look like you on that jet. All right? You got, like, look, you done got to a fight. Or them is scars from picking and peeling and wheeling and dealing and being in the street and doing whatever you do to get your fix. But you claiming to be Eminem's wife got to be the funny. Come on, lady. Come on. Eminem said some come and go. Saturday to Sunday, Monday to Sunday, yo. That's what you gotta come and go about the restaurant, because you ain't got no monies. How you gonna get food if you ain't got no monies? Who gonna pay for your food, honey, if you ain't got no money? Okay, because Eminem damn sure ain't paying for it. And if he saw this, he'd think it was funny. Come on now. You is on a good trip right now, boy. Jeez. I'm Marshall Mathers' wife. It matters because I'm Marshall Mathers.
Stand up. You're going in handcuffs right now. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
This would be fun.
Oh my goodness.
Not really sure. I don't know, the last time was some 10th Avenue or something. So.
Okay.
But that was like a month ago. You're not really taking me to jail. Trump!
Do you have any property here?
Serious. Take me to this jail in particular, and I'll do this motherfucking county dog.
Stop.
I'm just telling you, don't even think about it.
Do you have any property here?
No.
Okay, let's go. 6312, man. One late female detained. Yeah, I'll get it for you. Do you have anything on your person at all?
Lighter.
Is there anything else?
A $10 bill.
Okay. Yeah, just face the car for me.
Sure.
Just gonna make sure you don't have any weapons on you, right? Nothing? Okay.
I got you guys for that.
Alright. Do you have any medical issues or anything like that?
Yes.
Okay. So you have money in your pocket?
There's a lighter and a $10 bill.
Okay, and that's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Nothing in your hoodie? What is this?
Oh, it's a Bible.
Just a Bible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can look at it if you want to. Is my heart beating too fast or something?
No, I just want to make sure you don't have anything else. Okay.
It's okay?
Yeah. Do you have anything in your hat?
I don't think so.
Okay. Just do me a favor and take a seat.
Oh, it's all right.
Okay. So your name is Jennifer, right?
It is.
Okay. And do you remember about what time you got here?
About 2 hours ago.
2 hours ago?
Yeah.
Have you eaten here before?
Yeah.
Okay. How often do you eat here?
This one, I think maybe 3 times.
Three
but
times?
the one, there's like 4 that I've been to.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Do you normally pay before you leave?
Yeah.
What changed today? Like what happened today?
Because, wow. Marshall called while I was sitting in there. I told him who my husband was, and he did call.
So you're referring to
My husband, Marshall Mathers.
Eminem.
Eminem,
Gotcha.
the rapper.
Yeah.
Okay.
What does that have to do with you not paying? Did he tell you not to? I don't understand.
I know, he told them to take care of it.
Oh, okay.
But
so,
they're saying that, first, I said, well, if you feel you have to, I said, the police can contact him for you if you feel, but he had already called.
So your belief is that he was going to pick up your tab?
Well, he damn well better, because 50% of World Star Hip Hop is mine from 04 on.
Gotcha.
And we are still married. We're married on paper.
Okay.
Since 03.
You didn't come in, so your total was $28.48.
Right.
Right. They explained that to you?
Oh, well, yeah.
Okay, and
I told them, I said, if either Rob from because his parents make movies,
yeah.
AJ Burton.
Yeah.
Okay. And Rob's an ex-boyfriend of mine, Rob Owens, from many, many years ago. He's also a geriatric surgeon, I think.
Uh-huh.
I'm pretty sure. And he may go be Washington one day, But we all are. But anyways, what else? Oh, and I met his wife. She's really sweet. But that's all not important now. Because I haven't even seen the guy in like years and years and years and years. But he's been up in my head because he's a surgeon.
Okay. Well,
okay. So nevertheless, I said, could you please, my husband is, and they know exactly who I am.
Yeah.
So the way that they've been acting in this town because of the Meyer money, because of the farm.
Yeah.
Think about it. You cannot imagine the utter abuse that I have taken in this town because of those people.
Okay.
They wanted to save their son, Glenn, I guess. I don't know whether he went to jail or not. I don't know. Some guy came up to me and was like, yeah, I went to prison, and I swear it was Glenn. It may or may not have been. It could have just been an actor. I don't know. Because we are doing a movie about Billy and I, 8 Mile too.
Okay. We're getting off track.
All right, so what is it you want me to tell you?
So
what is it you need?
Can
I afford to pay this? Hell yes.
But you don't have any money on you, correct?
Right, I told them that.
Okay, then why would you come here?
Because I have unlimited funds. I said, I don't have my phone. Can I use yours? I said, you can call my father.
Yo, cocaine is a hell of a drug. Meth, cocaine, crack, bleach, whatever it is you taking is crazy. You know what? She seems so convincing. Watching this video, I had to Google it. I Googled it a little bit, and it says Eminem was never married to a Jennifer. Florida woman came, so obviously she does this a lot. Wherever she is in Florida, she's done this so much that she made Google. She's on Google. Google and say, does Eminem have a wife named Jennifer? And she's going to pop up and they're going to say, no, Eminem ain't never had a wife named Jennifer. For somehow, whatever she's on really got her believing that it's believable that they about to make 8 Mile 2. She know Eminem and Dr. Dre and them. And then when she had dated Eminem cousin named Rob, he told her that Ray was gonna give her the money back, but Ray is Ray Charles and he can't see her, so she ain't getting no money. What is she talking about? This lady's crazy, man. Like that's beyond crazy to really believe in her head, like in her mind, she really is there. She really has money, which is a good mind trick for you to, instead of being down to yourself and being like, man, I'm on drugs, I ain't got nothing. I'm going to treat myself like a millionaire. So I'm going to go to a restaurant with $10, but I'm going to order $30 worth of food. And then when they ask me for the $20, I'm going to tell you to call Eminem and he going to pay you the rest of that $20 because I ain't really got it. Because I don't need it. Come as an ex-wife. But I got millions. But I ain't got millions. But I got 50% of world star hip-hop. And I'm probably going to be on the first page of it because it's mine. Like, that's what she sounds like. Crazy ass.
In-law,
Yeah.
Billy's dad,
Uh-huh.
Billy Rizak,
Okay.
Sr.
And how does she know all these names? Where's these names coming from? It's crazy.
Okay? Or, shit, they can call my Uncle Lou.
So you don't have unlimited funds, right?
Yes, I fucking do, but I told them I don't have my purse, my phone got broken.
Right.
I told them that. They knew damn well. But the owner was sitting right there and was like, he came in to get me for this to happen on purpose for some fucking reason.
So you told them before you sat down that you didn't have any money? Is what you're saying?
I don't remember exactly when I told them.
Was it after you finished your meal? You told them?
No, it was in the middle of it. But I've done this before, and then it gets paid by either somebody from my production company comes in and pays it. This has never been an issue.
So it is an issue. Your last tab wasn't paid. You locked out.
This one?
No, the one prior to.
Oh, then that must have been because I forgot to take a picture of the thing.
No, it's because you didn't pay it.
Okay, so what? Is that like a 90-day thing? And then I'm, what?
What do you mean?
Like you have 90 days to pay your bills? I mean, I don't know. They don't have run tabs here or something?
No.
I'm just being a smartass. Listen, seriously, because Rich still had access to my phone and stuff, I was not using credit cards. I was too scared to.
Yeah.
The only one I was using was my SSI, my little $9.67 a month, because I'm 97% disabled.
Okay.
Okay? And I don't know what you're talking about. Last time I was here, I didn't pay tab. I don't even believe that.
Well, that's what they said.
Well, I don't believe that. That's
Okay.
bullshit. So, but this, and I did it. There's all kinds of witnesses in here.
Yeah.
So they can try all they want to have me jailed. It's not going to work.
Okay.
Just call Donald J. Trump.
All right. You want to slide your legs in for me? Is there anything else you want to talk about?
Nope.
Okay.
Hello.
You were the waitress?
He was a server, yes.
Okay. So, did you guys have any kind of conversation before she sat down to eat?
No.
Okay.
The only thing that I was advised that she had told one of the servers was when she walked in, we didn't ask her no questions, that she said she had money to pay for the bill.
Yeah.
That was kind of a red flag.
And then
right
she
there.
wanted to make a to-go order for her friend before she got done eating.
Okay. When did she tell you shouldn't have money to pay?
When I asked her to settle up the bill.
Okay, gotcha. Did she complain or anything while she was...
Well, she went on the rant that she's Marshall Mathers' wife and keeps tabs on her. Whole bunch of
nonsense that doesn't make no sense.
Now you,
Yeah, pretty much.
now you said last time she was here, when was that?
She's the one that said this is her second time.
Oh,
she
gotcha.
didn't tell me when. So
Okay.
that's the only reason why I said that, because she's the one that said that this was not her first time doing this to Dale's Diner. So that's why I had told when I called in that,
Oh,
this
gotcha.
wasn't her first time. But I
Okay.
have no clue her first time.
Okay.
I wasn't over this or at this store at that time. I was at another store.
Okay. Yeah. Alrighty. I appreciate it. I'll
Thank
get
you,
her out of
guys.
here. Did you guys get the trespass warning?
Yes.
Okay.
I put it in the
We got
book
it.
front.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yo, that was the craziest thing I just heard, man. Like she really, really believed it. You could tell at the end, especially, you could tell she was, she's on something, and she has a disability. I mean, that's pretty messed up too. Somebody really needs to get her off the road or off the streets if her mind goes to places like that. Like if she really in her mind is somewhere else and somebody else, who's to say she can't be in her mind and be like a killer? You know what I mean? Like call Donald J. Trump. he, he he'll vouch for me and he'll give you a Trump Tower for a 90-day fee. You can pay you can eat for free for 90 days, but when 90 days come up, you got to pay your bill for the last 90 days. Like what are you talking about? You Eminem's wife, man. You just got a messed up life. You ain't Eminem's wife. You just have that lady is crazy, man. I don't really know what to say about her because I mean, obviously you can see, the scars on her face, that, typical of a drug addict. And being a drug addict is a sad thing, man. It really is because it really takes a hold of people's souls and really have them somewhere else. You know what I mean? Like, you ever think that when you see a druggie on the streets and they just bent over and stuck in one position and ain't moved for 2 days? You be like, where'd they go? Like, well, you not there? Obviously, you not there because your body been on mannequin for for 3 days. You ain't ate, you ain't used the bathroom, you ain't moved. Your body look like all types of toe up, like a zombie. You know what I'm saying? Bent over halfway. You got one toe out your shoe. You got your beanie halfway on and your shades on, but you looking at the sky at the same time. But you ain't there. Like, when that's a bad problem, man. But she for real believed it. She Marshall Mathers' wife. She know Donald Trump. She know Ray Lewis and all the rest and everybody else too. Like, wow. Wow. That lady's so crazy. She made the news, y'all. Like, look her up. Not only she made the news, she made the front page of Google. Lady claims she's Marshall Mathers' wife and done it a couple times. So she goes to these diners, orders food without no money. They serve her. She eat her food, orders something to go for herself, but it's for somebody else. And then she just get up out of there or walk out. Crazy, man. Crazy. They let people do that. And then the employees can't do nothing. You can do that at the grocery store, really. You go to the grocery store and you go grab a 60-inch TV and walk out. They can't touch you. Not even the LP dude can touch you unless he got a license to. His badge say somewhere his badge that he can attack you, but they can't touch you. So why do you think people do what they do? Why do you think people walk out the store and steal stuff and be having an attitude and be arrogant about it? Because they know ain't nothing gonna happen to them. They're gonna get put in a cop car. They're gonna get taken down the street. They're gonna get put out the car. They're gonna say you've been trespassed. Don't go back. And they go just right to the next corner and go to another one. That's crazy, boy. Sad deal. Good one, though. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Peace to everybody out there. Peace, family. Let's get these loop-de-loops on. Go on, put it on that loop. Let's play them videos. We are almost there. As soon as we get there, we can get more gifts out. And the winners who did win, if you haven't sent your first last name to Foosh and your address, send it to Foosh or send it to me in my IG, and we'll make sure that you guys get your stuff. All right. The Romy Rome in the house, in your mouth. Romy Rome is in the house, and I'm in your mouth like, oh. I say, oh. Peace and love, y'all.